Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Aishwarya once again and welcome to another GRE King video, okay? Now this video is going to be really very important. What I'm going to talk to you about it in this video is that how are you going to access the dashboard, okay? All the people who have joined the course and are confused kahan se start karna hai, kya material hona chahiye, and the people who haven't joined the dashboard, you want to have a view of the dashboard that how will the dashboard actually look like. So I'm going to speak to you about which place you have to go, like if you want to access GRE mock test, or you want to access video lessons, you want to get in with GRE ebook sectional test, kahan kya hai, that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to give you a tour of the GRE King GRE preparation dashboard, okay? So all of you guys are ready. So just ensure that you watch the video till the end. I'm also going to show that once you give a mock, how does your dashboard look like your analysis dashboard, how it gives you the report, everything. Okay, so just stay glued. Let me tell you, once you open up your dashboard, you would be redirected to this screen. Just ignore the GMAT there, it's for GMAT students. You would be having GRE preparation and quants lessons. So these are the two tabs that you're going to see. Okay, now let me open this GRE preparation. Once I open this up, now you would be seeing all of these things. Now let me open up the GRE mock test. Okay, so when you open up GRE mock test, you are going to have these 10 tests, okay, 10 actual real GRE level mock test, full length test, which are of 190 minutes. The time is also given, so you can actually give all of those full length mock test. Okay, now what I've done is, this is a dummy account, you can see. So I'll just go to view report. Okay, review, you can review it. I'll just go to view report. I randomly clicked on all of these options just so that I can show you the report. So how does your mock report look like? So once you sincerely give this attempt, so this is something that you are going to see. Okay, what was the question wise analysis chart? How many questions you attempted, what was correct, what was incorrect, what did you skip, what is the score percentage, how much time did you take, what was the difficulty wise analysis, okay, which questions were difficult and you attempted right, which questions were easy, you attempted wrong, all of these things. Okay, so this is how your attempt would look like. This is how your mock analysis will look like once you give the test. Okay, so there is this area level, there is this topic level difficulty level, what's the solution, okay, everything you would be able to see here once you attempt a full length mock test. Okay, now let me go back to the GRE preparation and let me go back to video lessons. Okay, for people who are starting the preparation, how you have to start the preparation. If I go to video lessons, I see this GRE verbal. I open this up, I see the vocabulary videos, I see text completion videos, I see sentence equivalence and reading comprehension. I open these up. These are all the videos which you can launch and you can actually watch. Okay, so let me just open up one random video somewhere here. Okay, so if I am launching this, okay, it's going to take a minute. Okay, all right, so let it load so that I can show you. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so the similar videos which are there, so I'll keep on posting lot of videos here. Okay, whatever you say to the person, he's going to believe it quickly, so you don't have to pull in a lot of effort. Okay, so this is how all of these videos look like. So every week what happens is we keep on adding more of these videos on the dashboard for you to access. Okay, so whatever you see on YouTube is just the trailer, what you have on the dashboard is the real thing. Okay, so this is how you're actually going to access all the video lessons which are there. The video lessons are going to be similar across. So you have these text completion videos. Okay, then you also have these sentence equivalence and you have these reading comprehension videos where I've actually solved all of these reading comprehensions, and I keep on adding every week 5 to 6 videos in each of those sessions. Okay, now let's go back to GRE quants. So if you want to actually see quants, GRE quants में कैसे type के questions आते हैं, like quantitative comparison होता है, numeric entry रहता है. So these are all the recorded lectures. Okay, algebra दिख रहा है, arithmetic दिख रहा है, divisibility दिख रहा है, ये time देख रहे हो 50 minutes 40 minutes. So algebra में कैसे type के questions आते हैं, वो सारे type के questions यहाँ पे recorded तुम्हें दिखेंगे. Okay, so that is what you have to actually access. Okay, now let's move ahead. Now this is GRE strategy, GRE strategy videos, what you should, what not to study, text completion and all of those things. So these are all your strategy videos. Now let's go back here. Okay, here are all the wonderful ebooks that you can access for your practice. Okay, must solve questions, must 100 must solve arithmetic questions, geometry questions, and these ebooks are also added on a weekly basis. Okay, next thing that you have to keep in mind, this is my favorite part, this is GRE sectional test. Okay, सबसे important चीज ये है, if you see this quantitative aptitude sectional test, अभी यहाँ पे तुम्हें 4 टेस्ट दिख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे 4, ये 10 हो जाएंगे, ये 5 हो जाएंगे, these 5 test, and you will also see a verbal sectional test. Let's open this up and see. अब यहाँ पे भी तुम्हें दिख रहा होगा sectional test 1. Let's view report. Okay, so this also shows you how have you performed in a particular test, and you can review these tests, you can see your accuracy, how you have performed and all of those things. There is a revise tab also which you can actually access. Okay, let me just go back and show you this. Okay, so this is mock test, video lessons tumhe jitna chahiye, ebooks and sectional test. Okay, now if you go back here and if you go to this quants lessons, now people have come and told me that mujhe quants nahi aata hai, scratch se start kiya, I am a non maths person, I have never studied maths, ya mujhe maths se dar lagta hai and all of those things. This is your place to go. Okay, all you have to do is open up quantitative aptitude, and this is an ocean. Okay, foundation video lessons is what I usually ask people to start with. Okay, when you open up foundation video lessons, you find Vedic maths average percentage ratio ekdam, like the way you studied from 8th standard to 10th standard, average is sum upon number of quantities, us scratch level se explain kiya hai. People who have never ever seen maths in their life, this is what you need from the basics. Watch all of these videos. Just I'm asking is sit with a pen and paper, note down all the important formulas and watch. Nothing else is required. Then you can also go to these quantitative comparison practice test, quantitative aptitude practice test. What are these tests? These are nothing but video lectures. Okay, so once you watch all the foundation video lessons, I usually ask people to go to these tests, sit with a pen and paper. ये टेस्ट वीडियो फॉर्मेट पे है, उधर 1 मिनट का टाइमर लगा हुआ है. ठीक है, 1 मिनट का टाइमर लगा हुआ है. एक मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे दिखा भी सकती हूँ कैसा टाइमर लगा हुआ है, क्या है, इफ यू कैन सी दिस. ओके, इट इज स्टिल लोडिंग, इट विल जस्ट take some time to load.
Watch daily videos and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, so this is how the test looks like. If you can see, there are 10 GRE quants questions. Each question is timed for 60 seconds. ये 60 सेकेंड यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो गया, ये क्वेश्चन आएगा, ये 60 सेकेंड के बाद यू वुड कम टू नो द आंसर. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो, actually solve a question, see if it is right or wrong, and go back. This is a very good practice for people who have time management issue. So what I usually recommend people is you have to go to these quants lessons, get done with all of these foundation video lessons. Foundation video lessons सारे देखने के बाद, ये 5 मिनट 7 मिनट 8 मिनट के वीडियोस है, बहुत एक एक घंटे के वीडियो नहीं है. एक एक घंटे के वीडियो तुम्हारे GRE क्वांट सेक्शन में दिखेंगे इफ यू वांट टू सी द एंटायर क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. ठीक है, ये पूरा देखने के बाद तुम यहाँ पे क्वांटिटेटिव कंपैरिजन प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट पे जाओ या क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट पे जाओ एंड वॉच ऑल ऑफ दीज टेस्ट, सॉल्व दीज टेस्ट, सो दैट यू गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, हाँ मुझे क्वांट्स आता है. ठीक है, once you do that, then you have these advanced shortcuts. Okay, this is not that much recommended for initial level. like GRE maths compare अगर तुम करोगे सारे इंडियन एग्जाम्स के साथ, कैट एंड मैट के साथ, कंपेरेटिवली थोड़ा लेवल कम रहता है. सो व्हाट आई रिकमेंड इज इफ यू आर डन विद फाउंडेशन वीडियो लेसन्स एंड इफ यू are done with these quantitative aptitude practice tests, quantitative comparison practice tests, then what you have to do is you have to go back to the prep zone, you have to go back to GRE preparation, और ये GRE quants के वीडियोस सारे देख लो. ये वीडियो लेसन्स में जाके यहाँ पे GRE quants में तुम्हें एक्चुअल GRE का फील आएगा. उसके बाद तुमको कुछ नहीं करना है, यू जस्ट हैव टू गो टू these tests which are sectional test and mock test and start solving. Okay, on top of it GRE ebooks भी तुम्हारे पास है, so you can actually solve all of those arithmetic, geometry, algebra, probability, whatever you want to do. So this is an ocean. This is all you need to crack GRE, along with every Monday and every Friday live lectures by GRE toppers, which happen from Monday 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and they also happen on Friday 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Okay, so this is all I wanted to show you all in today's video, how you have to actually access your GRE King dashboard for GRE preparation. So people who are on the course, I hope this is helpful, and people who are not on the course, check the link in the description. You can use the coupon code GREKing50 and you can get all of this at a discount of 50%. So I think it will be around 8,000 or so. So next 2 months, all you have to do is you have to stick to this, and I can guarantee if somebody completes this entire dashboard the way I give you the schedule once you join on board. So what happens is, once you join the course, you get on a Zoom call with me, I explain you, I give you the schedule, every weekly schedule. You have to follow that schedule and you have to follow this dashboard, and nobody can stop you from getting a 320 plus in your GRE. This was all from my side in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Check the link in the description to get the course, and check, there is a link in the description through which you can set up an appointment with me. मेरा Calendly का link दिया हुआ है. I can, like, set up a 30 minutes consultation if you still have any queries or doubts about the course. This is Aishwarya signing off, and I'll see you all in the next live and next videos. All the very best for all your exams. Bye bye.